I got to work with a lot of new technology, and still the most rewarding thing is helping people out, but we got to play with a lot of cool toys to do that. The main project I'm working on here is evaluating a robotic exoskeleton for paraplegics. The Karen machine, it's a computer-assisted rehabilitation environment, and it is basically a virtual reality motion capture lab. And it has cameras that capture the person's motion walking inside of it. So it's both used as a clinical tool to help patients here in the rehab center, so it can safely introduce them into different environments to walk safely, as well as we use it as a research tool where we can collect this motion capture and biomechanics data. It's all based on math. What we do here, a lot of it is movement sciences and analyzing how people move. And so we use trigonometry to calculate joint angles and how the different parts of the body are moving. We have to use calculus, which calculates the positions, velocities, and accelerations of the joints. And we also do a lot of research, and that's how we explain what we're doing. And for that, we use statistics. I knew that I wanted to go into engineering or sciences, so I had to take all the math. I preferred the classes that were more applied to something. So when I got up to taking biomechanics classes or classes that were more relevant to jobs or weren't just pure math, it got more interesting, but you need the fundamentals to get to that point. Math is in everything these days. There are a lot of career opportunities, and more opening up that require math or computing, and that generally requires some math knowledge as well. So it's important to stick it out, and the best way to get better at it is just practice. Do the homework, do the practice problems, see your teacher if you need a little bit of extra help. If you're having trouble with it, address it early rather than waiting till the final exams, because that's never fun, and it does happen to everyone.
Gonna bring you up to 1.2. Okay. You want some medium math, or you want some?
Oh yeah, let's do 3.
All right, medium math.
We're moving towards something that's actually helping people out. That's a good way to measure success. If the exoskeleton's working and people are happy with it, we're generally seeing that as a positive and a successful thing. Also, if we're finding problems with it that are being addressed and fixed, that's a good thing too. I think it's awesome that I get to do engineering, and the parts that we're designing are going to be helping people in the future.